Hello, my name is Linda. Welcome to Linda's Cooking Creation. First off, I want to thank everyone that actually has been making suggestions for my channel. I appreciate it. If you want to make more suggestions, you can always comment below to see what you'd like to see next. Thank you again, and please like, subscribe, and share. Now, stay tuned for the video. Thank you. Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing pancakes off the grid. You'll need a cake pan, tea light candles, and a cooling rack for the setup. I will be using a box mix to make the blueberry pancakes. Let's get started. For the pancakes, you'll be using a mix. And for the amount I'm going to be doing 6 to 7 pancakes. It calls for a cup of the mix and 2/3 cup water. All you gotta do is follow the directions that's on here. I'll be back after I get the mix measured. Now, since I got the proper measurement to the pancake mix, you dump it in a bowl. And it wants 2/3 cup water. So I'm just following the directions. If you want your pancakes a little bit thinner, you add a little bit more water. But I like them thick, so I'm following the box. So 2/3 cup of water, and then all I have to do is mix it together. And I'll be back after it's done mixing. My next little trick is to get it poured better in a pan. I first pour the mix into a measuring cup. That way it's easier to pour into the pan. Just pour the mix in. As much as you like. I try to make them the same size, but it really don't matter if they're the same size or not. I put the lid on, let it go for a couple minutes, and I'll be back to check it. I just flipped it. Give it a couple more minutes, and it should be done too. I'll let it cook for a couple more minutes, and that's all you gotta do. You still can make pancakes if you don't have any power by using the tea lights, the cake pan, and the cooling rack. That's what they look like when they're done. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.